Hi, my name is Bob and welcome to the homestead, y'all. A few months ago I was contacted by this company called GrubTerra. They sell black soldier fly larvae. This is what it looks like, GrubTerra. There's the bag. Focus in on it. I told them, sure, go ahead and send me some and I'll try it out. And I haven't had time to make a video, so today I thought I would go ahead and record a video on it. I did a little bit of research, and apparently black soldier fly larvae is extremely healthy for your chickens. Even on their bag here, it says that the crude protein is 36%. That's just great. That's just astounding. Crude fat is 35%. Crude fiber is 10%. Calcium is 2 to 5%. And phosphorus 0.75%. So this stuff is extremely nutritious for your chickens. Whenever I received it and looked at it and started doing more research, I wasn't sure how I was going to review this product. This is one of those products that I really can't review. It's going to be up to our chickens to review these. So what I thought I would do is, I'd put some out here on the pen. We haven't let our chickens out yet today to free range. You can see they're all waiting, patiently waiting. And I thought I'd just see how well they liked them. I'm just going to put a few out there and see, and then I'll put some in my hand and try to get the chickens to eat some of them. But I have a feeling that they're going to tear these up. I think they're going to like them quite a bit. From all the research I've done, the chickens love them. So today we're going to see how well they do like them. Okay. Go ahead and open this bag up and put some out. Just figured I'd sprinkle some. Sprinkle some on there and see. I'll grab the camera there and show you what they look like real quick. But I'm sure these chickens are just going to love them. Yeah, that's what they look like. I'm going to put them back on here. And we'll go ahead and release the quackins. You can see all the chickens waiting. So let's see what they think. Well, those hens are gobbling them up. Well, rooster's going in there and go on. Go on. Go on. Put a few more on there and see. Yeechick. Well, seems like they like them pretty well. Of course, GrubTerra is great. Helps strengthen the eggshell since it's so high in calcium. Healthier feathers. There's all the crude protein and fat. This just looks like a great product. Of course, it's only meant to be a treat. It's not a daily food. It says here these are a snack and should only consist of a few handfuls a day. A 16-ounce bag feeds up to 5 chickens per month. Well, as you can tell, we have way more than 5 chickens. It looks like they just love them. All right, well, I have to say, I think the chickens love them. They've ate all of them on that pan. Some of these. Yeah. Well, there you go. The chickens love them. They're tearing them up. They sent me a 1-pound bag here, so I guess I'll be feeding this to them every day for a few days till it's all gone, and probably go ahead and order some more. Especially during egg laying season, to help their shells, to give them more protein. I just think it's a great product. I'm gonna throw them a little bit more out here and let them eat their craw full. Oh yeah, they love them. Look at them go. All right, well, I think the chickens love them. I'm gonna leave it at that. If you have any questions or comments about GrubTerra, please leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.